Euro USD on my daily chart is still currently on a sideways trend. So long Euro USD is still currently on a sideways trend, don't expect Euro USD to go up for now, except we will see a break of this trend line. Once we see a break of this trend line, which is, if we see a break of this trend line, we see price heading higher. But then if we see a break of this trend line below, we see price going lower, which is, if we see break of price, once we have a break of or close of price above this trend line, then wait for price to do a retest, then we see price pushing higher. Then we see break of price below this trend line, then wait for retest, then we see price going lower. For now, Euro USD is still currently on a range. So long Euro USD is still currently on a range, so it's not yet a good time for us to buy or sell the Euro USD. So let's look further on resistance and support level for areas that are valid for us to buy or sell the Euro USD. So if you see from my chart, and let me zoom in, you see from my chart now on the daily chart, we have a resistance here. This resistance I'll be holding Euro USD for a long period of time now. So long this resistance is still valid, so long this resistance is still currently valid, so I'm not expecting to buy the Euro USD for now until you see a price closing above this resistance level. Once price closes above this resistance level, we'll be looking for a buy opportunity. If price can close above this resistance level, we're looking for a buy opportunity. So long price still close below this resistance, it shows that Euro USD still have a big chance to go to the downside. If you can see, this particular resistance was a strong resistance level. It was a strong resistance level, because this particular resistance also stands as a significant level for price reversal on the daily chart. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Euro USD. You can also see that this particular resistance is also important on Euro USD on the weekly chart. So once you see a resistance on the daily chart, and also that resistance on the weekly chart, shows that that level is very important on your chart. So long this particular resistance also appear on that same level on the daily chart and also on the weekly chart, so that this level is very important. So for now, avoid buying Euro USD, because what I'm seeing is I'm seeing price taking a supply from this level before going down to the downside for Euro USD. Price might take a supply. By taking a supply from this level, then we'll see price dropping. So for now, I advise you to stay out of buy on Euro USD for now. So let's go to the monthly chart of the Euro USD. You can see from my monthly chart also, see that price also on range on the monthly chart, because we have this large resistance here on the monthly chart. So long we have this resistance here on the monthly chart, shows that Euro USD is still currently on the range. These areas are clear resistance level on the monthly chart. So long we have this level on the monthly chart, it will be very difficult for Euro USD to move to the upside. So the only area we can look at for Euro USD for upside, that means we expect price to close above this resistance level. If price close above this resistance level, which is this level, then we can look for a test of price, then we'll see price pushing higher. Then if price fail to break this level on the monthly chart, then we'll see price heading lower again. So for now, I'm not looking for any buy opportunity on the Euro USD. I'll be staying out of USD for now until I get a clear direction on the Euro USD, because on my daily charts, based on the trend line I drew previously, we can only look out for sell opportunity if price break below this trend line. So we look out for selling opportunity if price goes below this our trend line. So for now, let us stay caution, let us stay out of Euro USD for now and wait for price to also break above this particular level and also this trend line. So once price break above this resistance zone and also break above this trend line, we can look out for a buy opportunity on a retest of this level for us to buy the Euro USD. For now, let us stay out of Euro USD and stay caution and wait for a better opportunity for us to buy or to sell the Euro USD. Find this Euro analysis helpful, you can leave a comment on the comment section and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.